Fast English. Like versus as. Imagine a grown woman acting as a child. This is incorrect. Here we're comparing two things, the woman and the child, so like should be used. Imagine a grown woman acting like a child. The little girl, as her mother, has bright red hair. This is incorrect. Even though the verb has follows as, it actually belongs to the noun phrase the little girl. We need like to modify her mother. The little girl, like her mother, has bright red hair. This is correct. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. When to use as instead of like. As instead of like. No one makes chocolate cake like my mother does. This is incorrect. Because there is a verb after like, the verb does, the conjunction as should be used. No one makes chocolate cake as my mother does. This is correct. Thanks for watching.